Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adinda Nur Fildzah, and now I want to present about my research part. And the title is Comparison of Multinomial Naïve Bias and Logistic Regression in Sentiment Analysis of Tanihub Application Reviews using N-gram Preprocessing method. And this research is supervised by Bapak Profesor Dr. Insinyur Hairil Anwar Natodiputro MS and Bapak Laude Abdul Rahman MSc. This is the outline for today. First is introduction, and then methodology, and the last is reference. According to Soleimani et al., 2017, sentiment analysis is a technique for determining people's feelings, emotions, or opinion. Sentiment analysis allows to extract information from text data, although the data has unstructured form due to language diversity. There are several steps to the sentiment analysis. The initial step is gathering the data. The data can derive from any research, such as survey results, email, tweets, or scraping from the website. The next step is preprocessing, which is slightly different from preprocessing for numerical data. Common preprocessing for sentiment analysis are casualty, removing numbers, and removing punctuation. And the last step is build the model. According to Mukherjee et al. 2021, one problem frequently appears in sentiment analysis is misclassification as the effect of negation words. Examples of negation words include no, not, or neither. Negation words can change the polarity of sentiment of the data, so it needs particular treatment. The tokenization procedure, which divides the text into single words token or unigram, could evoke misclassification. Thus, this research main idea is to use other types of n-gram, such as bigram and trigram, instead of using unigram. According to a study from Tripathi et al., 2016, the higher values of n in n-gram give lower model accuracy, and the application of unigram and bigram gives better model accuracy. The scope of this research is review dataset from users of Tanihub application. The period of data is from November 2021 until January 2022. Two algorithms that will be used in this research are multinomial naïve bias and logistic regression. And it will be combined with three types of n-gram. There are unigram, bigram, and trigram. The objective for this research are determine best model based on several metrics such as accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity, and then look for bad and good aspects from application based on Tanihub app users' feedback. This research used dataset from scraping result by Python. Dataset is come from users' review of Tanihub application in Google Play Store, and the period of data is from November 2021 until January 2022 with 463 observations. Table 1 shows the research variables for this research. X is reviews from users, Y1 is sentiment from each review, Y2 is topic from each review. Table 2 shows the structure of data or sample of data. And then multinomial naïve bias. According to Zhong et al. 2021, Bayesian model is an algorithm that models joint probability as a product of prior probability and conditional probability. User reviews of Tanihub application or X is a sequence of words that can be written like the following equation. And then each reviews will be labeled by class with highest posterior probability that can be calculated by the following equation. Ordinal logistic regression. Ordinal logistic regression can be applied for data with response variable with more than 2 categories, which can be sorted, according to Agresti 2009. The following is formula to calculate of cumulative probability for each class from each review. N-gram. N-gram is a sequence of n-adjacent characters or words according to Ayer and Sethi 2018. N-gram that arrange in this research based on words. The following is example of N-gram application for a review from Tanihub users, cepat dan produknya fresh, as shown in table 3. And this is formula to calculate overall accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity for each class. This is steps for doing bootstrap in order to gain confidence interval for accuracy as follows. First is generate new random sample with size n by using the sampling method with replacement. B. Calculate the accuracy estimator of the sample X. C. Repeat steps A and B for B types, so there are B accuracy estimators. D. Calculate the mean accuracy value using this formula and calculate 95% confidence interval for accuracy. Latent semantic analysis, or LSA, can be used for topic modeling, according to Muhammad and al. 2021. And this technique utilizes SVD for the application. So, the following is equation to the latent semantic analysis with SVD. And this is the example of SVD application on latent semantic analysis. This is the procedural analysis. First is scraping the data from Tanihub application review in Google Play Store. Second is labeling data manually by the expert. And then preprocessing data that is divided into several steps. There are cascading, removing numbers and punctuation, and removing stop words. Next is explore the data by word cloud visualization, and then extract information to gain topic for each review, and then apply N-gram, and then selection features by TF-IDF, and then split the data into training and testing data, and develop model by two algorithms. There are multinomial naive bias and logistic regression. And then we can do bootstrap to estimate confidence interval for accuracy, and then evaluate model based on sensitivity, specificity, and accuracy. And this is the reference for this research. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.